Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will discuss the use of Lambda function with a user-defined function. The power of Lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Let's take a simple example that shows you a function definition that takes one argument called n, and that argument will be multiplied with another number depending on the expression of the Lambda function. Here we have a user-defined function, and it is called multiply, and it has an argument called n in between the parentheses of this function. Inside the body of the multiply function, or the local scope of this function, we have a Lambda function with a single argument called x, and its expression is x multiplied by n. And all of this Lambda function result is just a returning expression for the return statement in the multiply function. Now it's time to call the multiply function. Let's call the multiply function twice with different values for the n argument, and we will equate that to variables in order to use those variables to know the result of the function callings. You can see here, in this case we call the multiply function 2 times, with 2 and 3 as values for the n argument, and we assign the multiply function calling two variables called double and triple. Now let's call the Lambda function with different values for the x argument in order to pass these values into expression of the Lambda function inside the multiply function. After that, you can see the outputs from calling the Lambda function twice, with 10 as a value for the x variable in the first calling, and another 10 for the second calling. So the output will be 20 due to multiplying 10 by 2 for the first calling, and the second result we got is equal to 30 from multiplying 10 by 3. That's it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself. It is very easy and helpful. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.